let's face it, your boy is back with another lit banger just for you guys, man. Yes, it's been quite some while, man, and yes, I've been on the move, man. I've been here, I've been there, I've been everywhere, you know what I'm saying? But that don't stop good brands like Reputation Studios from sending us good pieces, you feel me? Big salutes to Reputation Studios, man, for reaching out to me to get this video done just for you guys, man. Yes, because it has been quite some while, and we are back with nothing but bangers, man, for the rest of the end of the year, man. You see what I'm saying? So, with that being said, let's hop into the video.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out?
Jiggy this, jiggy that, keep shit number flavor. Jiggy this, jiggy that, keep shit number flavor. Jiggy this.
Alright, guys, so if you're not familiar with Reputation Studios, they is a dope streetwear brand, good for their pants, flare jeans, denims, good t-shirts, you know what I'm saying, graphic tees, hoodies, sweatpants. They good for everything in the box, man. No, I'm not just saying that because they the fam, but I'm telling you, they quality, they study perfectionists, you know what I'm saying, from the tags to the way jeans fit. You see what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna hold you. They're just absolutely fire. Now, as you can see it, man, boom, come on, man, come on, come on. They sent your boy in 4 pair of jeans, and they sent your boy in a t-shirt. You see what I'm saying? So, with that being said, man, let's go ahead and hop into this tee. Now, boom, come on, bro. Top of the line quality. You see what I'm saying? As y'all can see that t-shirt, come on, man. And that does have, you see them crystals on the t-shirt. Come on, man. Peep game. Peep game. This t-shirt is absolutely fire. And I did get this size shirt in a large. And as you order from them, you see they hang tags. Nothing but quality. Nothing but quality. Man, let me cut this brightness up for y'all. Just a tad bit so y'all can see a little bit better. Alright, so blam. As y'all can see, t-shirt, good quality. Details all over the shirt. You see what I'm saying? Reputation Studios definitely did their homework. I did get my size in a size large. If you're looking to grab this tee, I will drop it down below. All links of everything will be down below. All you got to do is click that link and go cop up. You feel me? They on every social media. TikTok, they on everything. So you can see how quality fits. But I'm going to let y'all know. Quality is A1. Look at that tee. You can see all the way down from the kicks on people's feet. That's a crazy firework right there. You see what I'm saying? As y'all can see, a dope quality t-shirt. But with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. All right, now this pair of pants right here is probably by far my favorite out of all 4. And these are the Python Camo Denim. I did get these in a size large. As y'all can see it, this is what they will come in. Let's go ahead and pop these things open. Man, these pants are good fire. Fire, absolutely fire. You see what I'm saying? And it does give that Python look. Boom. And they are flare at the bottom. Don't get it twisted. Come on, man. Does have them R's on the back for Reputation Studio. Come on, man. Sizing on the tag as well. Does got 2 front pockets, 2 back pockets. If you're looking to grab these, definitely go true to size. No need to go up. No need to go down. It doesn't give stretch, so you don't got to worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Stretch is not there on these. These are like straightforward jeans. So make sure y'all go true to size on these. I did go my true to size. As y'all can see it, man. Flare on top of the... Hey, you can't go wrong with that. You cannot go wrong with that. And as you can see, branding all over the tag. You see what I'm saying? Let that sit in. Reputation. That R on the back of the pocket, that went crazy. I ain't gonna lie. They did their homework when they did that one. But with that being said, let's hop into the next pair. Coming in next is the black wax embellished denim. Did get these in a size large as well. Go ahead and pop these things open. Like I say, y'all, we don't wear a bag. Blam. That leather, I'm telling y'all, that leather coming. That leather, oh yeah, and these are flare as well. Come on, man. Y'all see them crystals all over flare denim joints. You see what I'm saying? Does give that wax denim feel. Is flare. As y'all can see it, them prints are all over the jeans. Crazy work. I'm telling you, Reputation Studio definitely do their homework when they do their droppings. Now, as y'all can see, that tag, let that sit in. Let that focus. Come on, all over leather tag. It's crazy work. Come on, man. As y'all can see that tag on the back. Hey, and like they do we leave the hang tags on? Flip it over. We can. It's a Reputation Studio. They quality there just like everybody else's. As y'all can see it, man, these things are absolutely fire. These definitely giving red carpet event. You see what I'm saying? These go crazy. These go crazy. Definitely go true to size on these, man. I did grab mine in a size large, and make sure y'all grab the y'all size as well. Come on, man. I will link these down below. All y'all gotta do is click that link and go cop up. Now, with that being said, let's hop into the next pair. Coming in next is another pair of denims, and these are the Camo embellished denim jeans. Did get these in a size large. Come on, man. Y'all know Camo taking over. Shout out Lil Bo. Shout out Lil Yachty, man. Camo taking over. Bam. Took a minute to get out. As y'all can see, come on, man. All over pearl with crystal diamonds in them. You see what I'm saying? These are fire. Definitely give that more baggy feel. You see what I'm saying? As y'all can see it. Don't get it twisted. Come on, y'all know what the back pocket got. Big old R's. Big old R's on the back pocket as well. And these definitely give that oversized at the bottom, or you can scrunch them up at the end. However y'all want to rock them. Me personally, I like the baggy look. I probably keep mine baggy. Definitely go true to size on these. No need to go up, no need to go down. We definitely love that camo look with the bedazzles, with the pearls, with the diamonds. Come on, man. They know what they did when they did these. I ain't gonna lie. Like, they did their homework when they did these pants. As y'all can see it, these are crazy. It does got the strings on there to scrunch up at the bottom, just in case you don't want to go baggy. You can always go like jogger ends at the bottom as well. Come on, man. Come on, man. Only at Reputation Studios. Y'all know where it gets real at. Boom. Crazy. But with that being said, let's hop into the next pair. Coming in next is the black cargo embellished denim, size large. Come on, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. See what I'm saying? Put that there. Take that bag out. And these are baggy, just like the other camos. Just definitely a different color. All over black with the white pearls, with the diamonds. Does give that scrunch at the bottom. You can go baggy. You can go scrunch like jogger style. And as y'all can see it, don't get it twisted. Y'all know what that big R, Reputation Studio. And they got one on the pocket. 2 back pockets, 2 front pockets. These, they even got cargo pockets on the side. Come on now. They got cargo on the side as well. These denims is crazy work. Like, they did their absolute homework when they did these. All you need is a good pair of rigs to put on with these, and it's gonna put them together ASAP, no rocky. You see what I'm saying? These things are fire. Fire. All over white pearls with the diamond bedazzles. You see what I'm saying? Crazy hints on these pants. All the way up from the pocket to the bottom of the feet. It's crazy work. Now, with that being said, man, alright, that is a wrap for this video, man. If you're new to the channel, head over, hit that red subscribe button, man, so you don't miss out on any more videos. Your boy may post, man. Like I say, man, we post 2 to 3 videos a week. So the content is definitely here on the channel, man. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, man. Drop comments down below, man. I am one YouTuber that responds back to everybody. I don't leave nobody unheard because I don't want nobody to leave me unheard, right? I can't do y'all like that. Y'all part of the gang. So, with that being said, man, make sure y'all drop comments down below. I'm responding back to size, quality, how long it took to get shipped, how long it took you to receive. I'm answering every question y'all might have about Reputation Studio, man. Come on. Drop comments. I'm here for y'all. You see what I'm saying? Now, with that being said, I need y'all to say this part with me. I am out. Y'all be easy. Peace.
If you do it successful, I give them high five. And I'm high as hell up inside of the back of this bitch. Smoking ready, can't go with some vibe. And I'm trying to kill all my ops in my dreams.